everyone! In today's video, I will show you how to save a PowerPoint presentation as a JPEG. First, go to PowerPoint and open your presentation. Then go to the File tab and click on Save As. Here, choose a location. Let's select the desktop, for example. And here, select in the Save As type, JPEG. Then click on Save. Here you have two options: to save all slides or to save just this one. So let's select all slides. Wait for a few seconds. And here, as you can see, each slide is labeled as slide 1, slide 2, slide 3, all the way to the slide 49. Now, the second way to save your slide or your presentation as a JPEG is to go to File again and click on Export. Here, click on Change File Type and go to Save As. Now do the same steps. Select JPEG, choose a location, and then click on Save. Now let's select just this one. And here it is. Now you know how to save a PowerPoint slide as a JPEG. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.